In the dynamic and often demanding landscape of project management, the spotlight frequently shines on meticulous planning, strategic execution, and diligent monitoring. While these elements are undoubtedly crucial, there's a foundational element that underpins all successful projects: teamwork. A project, regardless of its scale or complexity, is rarely a solitary endeavor. It's a collaborative effort, a symphony of individual skills and expertise harmonizing towards a common goal. Understanding the pivotal role teamwork plays is not just beneficial. It's essential for anyone aspiring to excel in project management or seeking to understand the dynamics of successful project outcomes. At its core, teamwork in project management is about a group of individuals with diverse skills and perspectives working together effectively to achieve the project's objectives. It goes beyond simply assigning tasks. It encompasses communication, collaboration, mutual respect, and a shared sense of ownership. When teamwork thrives, it creates a synergistic environment where the collective output surpasses the sum of individual contributions. One of the most significant roles of teamwork is in leveraging diverse skills and expertise. Every team member brings a unique set of talents, experiences, and knowledge to the table. A well-functioning team capitalizes on these differences, assigning tasks based on individual strengths and fostering an environment where team members can learn from each other. For instance, a software development project might involve programmers with expertise in different coding languages, designers with varying aesthetic sensibilities, and testers with a keen eye for detail. When these individuals work collaboratively, they can create a more robust, user-friendly, and high-quality product than any single person could achieve alone. Furthermore, teamwork fosters enhanced problem-solving and innovation. When faced with challenges or roadblocks, a team with diverse perspectives is better equipped to identify root causes and brainstorm creative solutions. Different team members might approach a problem from unique angles, leading to more comprehensive analysis and innovative resolutions. Group discussions and collaborative problem-solving sessions can spark new ideas and uncover potential pitfalls that might be missed by an individual working in isolation. This collective intelligence is a powerful asset in navigating the inevitable complexities of any project. Effective communication, the lifeblood of any successful project, is intrinsically linked to teamwork. A cohesive team fosters open and transparent communication channels, ensuring that information flows freely between members. Regular meetings, clear reporting structures, and accessible communication tools facilitate the sharing of progress updates, potential risks, and crucial decisions. When team members feel comfortable communicating openly and honestly, misunderstandings are minimized, conflicts are addressed proactively, and everyone remains aligned on project goals and timelines. Teamwork also cultivates a shared sense of ownership and accountability. When individuals feel like they are part of a collective effort and their contributions are valued, they are more likely to take ownership of their tasks and be accountable for their responsibilities. This shared ownership fosters a sense of commitment and encourages team members to go the extra mile to ensure the project's success. Conversely, a lack of teamwork can lead to a fragmented environment where individuals feel isolated and less invested in the overall outcome. Moreover, a strong team dynamic contributes significantly to improved efficiency and productivity. When team members work collaboratively, they can often identify and address inefficiencies in processes. They can support each other, share workloads when necessary, and collectively strive to optimize workflows. This collaborative spirit can lead to faster task completion and a more productive project environment.